Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just want to apologize right now for the crime against humanity that is today's makeup look. So grab some wine or grape juice if you're under the legal age and let's get started. So as usual, I covered my brows off camera and now I'm just looking at some toilet paper as a reference. If you're not privileged enough to have toilet paper in your home, use a picture on Google Images. So the best thing about makeup is that you can do it on your face, or you can do it on somebody else's face if you have their consent. The problem is that faces have curves, and that is why this look came out the way it came out, because I forgot that faces have curves. So when you do draw the shape of the toilet paper roll upon your face or somebody else's face, be aware of curves and how straight lines look when they're drawn on curved surfaces. So anyways, I'm taking white cream paint to color the toilet paper part, and I'm taking some brown paint to color the roll inside. I like how I'm talking to you guys as if you're actually going to do this makeup look. Not only do I not recommend it, I also don't expect it. And now I'm using some gray cream paint to mark out the corner of the toilet paper, you know, the part where the top becomes the side, which is pretty fun, so just blend that out, add some white. It's pretty self-explanatory. Actually, I strike that. Nothing about this look is self-explanatory. Why are people buying so much toilet paper anyways? I don't understand. Are they... Why? Tell me in the comments, why are people buying so much toilet paper? So make sure to powder your cream paint so that it, doesn't slip, doesn't crease, doesn't look bad. And take some wine, think about your decisions. Think about everything that led you up to this moment in your life. And what you're seeing now is a sped up clip. This is about 1.5 minutes worth of footage sped up, in which I don't put down the wine glass for some reason. And then I'm taking a lighter brown color to highlight and give depth to the center part of the toilet paper roll. Now I'm just playing around with that cardboard part and I'm adding the little seam, that makes the cardboard roll. And adding a little bit more depth to the bottom. And now I'm taking some gray paint and I'm doing the little perforations that separate each piece of toilet paper, and then I'm going to take some white paint and highlight them. Once you choose the side for your highlight, keep that side for everything in the look. And then of course, contemplate your decisions for a few more moments. Think if you should just end the tutorial and wash it off and pretend like you didn't film something today. But no, I powered through, and now I'm doing the little swirly designs on the toilet paper that are pretty, but also there for better traction when you wipe. Tap those in to blend them a little more, and then repeat on the other side of your face. Powder it all, because you wouldn't want this to go anywhere. And now we're just outlining the toilet paper with black cream paint and then using a larger brush to fill in all of your exposed skin. And I felt like it needed a little something more, so I put a little piece of toilet paper flopping off the side of the roll. So I just painted that in white, and now I'm adding that same gray paint along the side of the roll to give it some depth and separate the little piece from the main bulk of the roll. And then of course outlining that in black as well. And then using some gray eyeshadow, just add some depth and some shading to your roll and, try to make it look pretty. Is pretty the right word? Then I added some decor and perforations to that extra little floppy piece. And then I broke. This is the expression of a broken man, but nevertheless I persisted and I disrobed quite beautifully. And then I put on a black t-shirt. Then I painted my neck and ears black. And it was about at this moment that I realized how ridiculous I look. Now all I need is a black background, and all you need to do is subscribe, like, comment, share, and click on that notification bell for notifications of when I post. Thanks for watching!
Ooh, toilet paper! Ooh. The fuck am I doing?